What if one app could replace your Notes app, to-do list, calendar, and even part of your AI workflow all at the same time? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use NotePlan in 2026 and why so many productivity users are switching to it. NotePlan is a productivity-focused note-taking app that combines notes, tasks, calendars, and AI features into one connected workspace. Unlike traditional note apps that simply store information, NotePlan is designed to help you organize your entire day using linked notes and task management. When you first open the app, the main thing you'll notice is the daily notes system. Every single day gets its own page where you can write notes, plan tasks, schedule meetings, and track your progress. This is one of the core ideas behind NotePlan because instead of scattering information across different apps, everything stays connected in one place. To get started, create a daily note and begin writing tasks using simple checkboxes. As you add tasks, NotePlan automatically tracks unfinished items and can move them between days so you never lose track of important work. Next, connect your calendar. This is one of the strongest features of the app because your events and notes become linked together automatically. For example, if you have a meeting on your calendar, you can attach notes directly to that event and revisit them later without searching through folders. Another major feature is note linking and backlinks. You can connect notes together almost like building your own personal Wikipedia. This becomes extremely useful for organizing projects, study materials, business ideas, or long-term planning. Instead of manually sorting everything into complicated folders, you simply link related notes together and navigate naturally through your information. NotePlan also supports templates, tags, and markdown formatting. If you're new to Markdown, don't worry too much because the basics are simple and most users learn it quickly after a few days. The app recently added AI tools as well, which can summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, rewrite text, and help organize information directly inside your workspace. According to many users, this makes NotePlan feel much more modern without becoming overloaded with unnecessary features. One thing users consistently love is the speed. Compared to larger apps like Notion, many people say NotePlan feels lighter, faster, and more focused. Users also praise the clean interface and the fact that the app works very well offline. However, there are definitely some downsides. Beginners may initially feel overwhelmed because the app is built around productivity systems rather than casual note-taking. Some users also feel the subscription price is expensive, especially if they only need basic note storage. Another limitation is that NotePlan works best inside the Apple ecosystem, so Windows users may not get the same experience. Overall, if you want a powerful productivity app that combines notes, tasks, calendars, and AI tools into one streamlined system, NotePlan is absolutely worth learning in 2026. It's especially useful for students, creators, entrepreneurs, and productivity enthusiasts who want a structured workflow instead of scattered information across multiple apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which AI or productivity tool you want me to cover next.